Hi everyone, Chef Petey back again with another requested recipe. Now in an effort to bring you more American/Chinese creations, I will be showcasing the very popular chicken SUBGUM chow mein. If you're not familiar, SUBGUM is a light colored chow mein cooked with celery, red and green peppers, mixed with sliced button mushrooms, and is served over crispy fried noodles. As always, I will be posting this written recipe in the description box below. Would love to hear your comments. Like it, not so much, let me know. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we need today. I had 1 stalk of celery. I removed the leaves, washed it thoroughly, diced it, and I came up with about 6 cups. And then I blanched it. Basically, you just bring a pot of water to boil and cook it for about 15 minutes. And this is what I got. I got ½ pound of ground chicken meat. We normally use dark meat, but I don't have dark, so I just decided to use the white meat, which is still okay. 1 cup of green peppers, diced. 1 cup of red peppers, diced. You could also use pimento, which we normally use. ½ a cup of sliced button mushrooms. I got 2 to 3 cups of water with ½ a tablespoon of chicken base. You can also use chicken stock, but I'm out of chicken stock, so I just got water. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, ½ a teaspoon of MSG, and that's optional. Some people are allergic to it, and but I do use a little bit of it. Good flavor. 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder. You're gonna need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're gonna mix it with water, and that's gonna thicken our sauce. I have ½ a tablespoon of minced ginger and ½ a tablespoon of minced garlic. I mixed it already here. And we're gonna need fried chow mein noodles. Special thanks to my good friends from the great state of Washington, Matt and Jen Ryerson. They sent me this 5-pound bag of noodles. So I'm gonna be using this. And we also needed the roasted cashews. That's gonna put on, we're gonna put that on top. Okay, let's start cooking. All right, let's get that wok heated up here. I'm gonna put about ½ a tablespoon of oil. And you can use any type of cooking oil, vegetable oil or canola oil, peanut oil. Get that heated up. You're gonna put ginger and garlic in first. Cook it for about 30 seconds, get the flavor out of there. Okay, I'm gonna put the chicken in. We're just gonna basically cook it until it changes color. And now you're gonna add the green peppers. Red peppers, mushrooms. And the blanched celery. And again, when you blanch it, you want to cook it until it's soft. There's no more crunch in it. So you can just pretty much get it really as soft as you can. Now we're going to add your water or your stock. You want just enough to cover. And I'm going to add in the soup base. You could also use chicken bouillon. You want to cover and let it cook. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. So make sure all the vegetables are cooked thoroughly. Should be fairly soft. Let's check it out here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna add salt, sugar, MSG, which is optional again, sesame oil, white pepper powder. And let's sample it. This is a good time to taste it now. Okay, tastes pretty good. Now we're gonna thicken it. Again, cornstarch, water, might need a little bit more here. I'm just going to add another teaspoon or so. There you go. Ready to serve. Okay, so I got the chow mein over the chow mein noodle here, and then top it with cashew nuts and then side of rice. So let's check this out. Oh, hot, temperature hot. So the noodle's got a pretty good crunch. You gotta eat it right away. You can't let it sit. Very good. And the ginger and garlic really adds to the flavor. I hope you like it. Please check it out, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.